welcome back to my channel, and thanks for still watching my video. And then thanks for subscriber. Maybe next time I will give away, who knows. And today I'm going to make something fried food, of course, and it's like similar like with other country like Thailand. And Thailand, they can call this food like curry puff, or maybe in Colombia, or I don't know, it's like panada. And in my country they call pastel goreng. So check it out. Here I have 200 gram of the flour, and then 100 gram self-rising flour, and 60 gram of margarine, half or quarter spoon of the salt, and then I have a little bit chicken powder, and here I have Edam cheese. I just grate a little bit, so it's a little bit crumbly. So when I mix with flour, it's gonna be mixed together. And I have 1 egg. I have cup of water and 3 tablespoons of oil. Let's start cook. So guys, first thing, maybe we can add 2 different flour, and then we can add this margarine, and we can add these 3 ingredients, which is like little bit salt, little bit chicken powder, and Edam cheese. Let's check it in. Like that. And we're going to stir this one first, and then after that we can add this egg, oil, and water. So guys, I already washed my hands, so we can stir, or we can mix all of this together until like crumbly. And then it's because I'm not great the Edam cheese properly, so I need a little bit squeeze, otherwise you just only can taste Edam cheese in here. I just want a little bit savory. Three. All right. All right. You can add water now, just tiny bit. We don't want this dough bit yucky. Just wonder this one firm or clean, so not stick on your hand anymore. I usually make Play-Doh at the school, and then usually I make a good Play-Doh. Let's see with the cooked dough. Jadi guys, ini kalau orang Indonesia tahu ya, apa namanya, pastel. Like this. So until like this, guys, until it's not sticky anymore. Have a look. So which means this dough is good. Let's put this one away first. I like a little clean while I'm cooking. Alright. So while we're waiting this dough, I'm going cut all the veggies for this filling. Check it out. I have garlic paste. I have spring onion. I have 2 potatoes and 2 carrots. You can cut in dice. So we can start to fry this. So first thing, I'm going put garlic. Just a little bit, guys. Just leave them until smells. And we're going to put potato first. Yeah. And carrot. And this one. Don't waste food, guys, this day. Many people cannot eat, don't have work, so you have to respect everything. Be grateful. Alright. Why I didn't put spring onion first? Because I just want to see spring onion still green. Keep the spring onion still green. So we leave this guy on for this moment. Make it a little bit soft. And I forget, I'm going to tell you that I'm going to add a little bit flour for this to make all ingredients a little bit sticky. Okay, like this. Just leave that. Check this. Now you can add spring onion. Mix all up, guys. Make sure not burn. Now good already. Take a look at colorful. The color. Nice color. Get in there. So I want to say hello to my friend at work. Hi Joseph. I make something, and then if you're lucky, you will try tomorrow, okay? If you're lucky. Like shared food, you know. Maybe this is from my mother had it. She always like to share what she made. Get in there. Right. So I'm going to add a little bit water just to quick cook. Tiny bit. Yeah. And now I can add flour. Oh, this other one. Little bit. Water. This veggies. Now I can add this chicken stock, chicken powder, pepper, all up. And this food some little bit savory, little bit sweet. So let's add some sugar. Not too much, guys. Maybe, yeah. Well, you can add eggs or chicken, anything you like. But this is the main ingredient. Right, now I can add the last ingredient in this. So Just sorry, 1 spoon. I'm so clumsy today. Sorry. Let's fry a little bit. Add a little bit water because I need it to cook. So guys, I already roll this dough, and then this filling already cold. So I just want to do it quick. Roll over, roll like that, and after that you can do this. Just pinch with your finger, pinch and pinch and pinch and pinch and pinch and pinch, press like that, like that, like that, and like that. So guys, we're going deep fried these guys. Look how pretty. And then we deep fried until golden brown. Okay, look. So keep doing this until we finish, guys. So guys, this is my pastel goreng, or you can call curry puff or panada. Yummy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, comment, like, and share. See you on my next video. Bye.